Hi everybody, this is Hannah with Hannah's Heirlooms. Thank you for being here. If you're new here, I do unboxings and I also do educational content, mostly on vintage and antique beaded jewelry. So today I've got an unboxing, and if you watched my last one where I got a J King necklace, a Murano glass necklace, and some other wonderful pieces in it. This is from the same seller. Well, except for the J King necklace that came from Poshmark. This is the same seller. It was a little over 3 pounds. This one is as well, and it looks like a ton of awesome vintage pieces. And I'm really excited because I was super happy with the last lot. We are going to look at this today, and if you're new here and don't know, I also sell these items that I'm going to unbox for my video, and I do direct sales. I invoice with PayPal, and I'll have my email at the bottom of the screen. All this information and everything on how to buy will also be in the description, just in case you forget. And you will just email me, tell me which video that you're buying from, and if you have not bought from me before, I will need your name, your real name, your YouTube name, and your mailing address. Just send me a timestamp or a screenshot of the items you're interested in, a brief description of the item, and the price that I do give. I will either say the price or I will pop it up on the screen, normally up here in the corner. It will be a $5 flat shipping fee, under a pound. If it's over a pound, it depends on your location and how much it weighs. And for now, I'm just doing USA shipping only. And for your convenience, I will have in the comments, my own comment will be pinned at the top. It should show up at the top of all the sold items. So I try to be on it. A lot of people are subscribed and have the notification bell on, so you will get notified whenever my video goes live, and you can be quick and get those items in that you're interested in. And some people are super fast, so I am immediately on it trying to list what items have sold so that you can see that. It'll help you figure out which items you would like to purchase. So I think that's everything there, and we'll get to the unboxing. And it's really hard to miss this huge crucifix at the top. Take this out. Let's see, last time they wrote, yeah. So it does weigh about the same as the other lot that I bought. And I'm so excited. Let's get this crucifix out. Wow, this one's rather large. I'm wondering if this, surely no one wore this. Maybe you would hang this on the wall, I'm sure. Wow, that is beautiful. So this is almost 6 3/4 inches long. I do believe this hangs on the wall. So you know what, we'll do $4 for this one. Okay. Oh, this is cute. We've got this gold tone vintage brooch. This is transfer wear on, sometimes these are porcelain or like a milk glass. Isn't that adorable? This would be perfect for spring. Let's see, this is 1.5 inches long. That is super cute. We're going to say $3 for that one. Beautiful condition. Here's another brooch. This could be wiped down. It does just look like it has some like smuts, so you can probably just wipe that off. It's very three-dimensional, tubular, I guess is what you would call it. It's about, that's 2 inches long, so that's a really nice one. We will say $3 for that one as well. Oh, this is fun. Okay, it does stretch a little, but I don't know how well that'll keep up. Oh, how cute is that? They kind of have this iridescent coating on the beads. Looks like mostly the green ones have that. Man, these are so cute. I'm debating on keeping this, but I've got enough beads to craft with, so I'm gonna say $2 on that. Oh, I forgot to mention, if I do have anything that's craft that I'm offering up, I do ask you to buy something regular price, like a, you know, regular piece of jewelry. So that's the only thing that I've changed recently. Let's see. Oh, we've got a bracelet. You know what? I'm going to turn my lamp on. I think we need just a little bit of light. There we go. That's better. I'm sitting in front of a window, but I kind of don't have any light behind me, so this is better. Okay, we've got... This looks very mid-century. Oh, it's marked. Let's see. Blanca. Oh, I think I've had some Blanca earrings before. This is super cool. Very modernist. That's an unusual link bracelet. Okay, it's 8 inches long. It's got a fold over clasp. It's in good shape. It's only got a little bit of wear, like where the links rub together. I'm going to say $5 for that one. That is super cool. Oh, what is this? Oh my gosh, look at these beads. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Wow, that is quite a statement. I've never seen beads like this before. They are, they're kind of a shiny plastic, and then they have these little, I forgot what you call them, those beads. It does stretch, but it's got a little bit of slack there, so we'll just say maybe for the beads, we'll say $3. These are really fun. Oh, wow. I'm loving looking at this bag. There are some beautiful things. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Let's make sure it closes. Let's see if it's marked. Oh, it is. BSK. Okay, so it goes like that. Or like that. It's got these shiny portions of the brooch. Really beautiful. This reminds me of like a haystack. Very 60s, modernist. This one's beautiful. I'm going to say, we'll say $5 on that one. Ooh, this bracelet. Oh, that is gorgeous. Let's see, are these are acrylic. They do spin. Sort of this wire wrapped, not really wrapped. It's just got some really pretty wire detail. It's a clamper bracelet. I don't see any markings. Definitely vintage piece. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Not missing any rhinestones. Oh, okay. I'm going to say $8 on this one. It's beautiful. Wow. Okay. Again, very impressed with this. Here's a beautiful clip-on. Hopefully we have the other. Yep, it says Japan. Let's get this pearl necklace. Oh, gorgeous. This has beautiful seashell details on the clasp. It's got a hook there. It is not marked. Here's a little seashell. See if this is marked. No. I am very surprised. So these are acrylic, but let me tell you, these are really beautiful detail. They're hand knotted. There's a little black speck there. Oh, it's just a little piece of debris. It came right off. Wow, this is gorgeous. I'm really surprised this isn't signed. Wow. So it can go from a 16 to an 18.5. That's a really good length. This is so classy and so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna say $8 on that one as well. That is gorgeous. Beautiful, nothing wrong with it. There's another pearl necklace. We'll look at that next. Wow, this one's long. Very long. Okay, this is also a triple strand. See if that's smart. No, it's got some wear. So we've got, these are very lightweight. Here's some gray pearls. I mean, they look really nice. Like they're freshwater or cultured, because they're all different shapes. These are interesting. So some of these gold spacers have some wear. Very, very long. Again, that's not marked. Very pretty. So it'll look like that. That's gorgeous. So this one's very lightweight and it's long. Let me measure this one. Ooh, this one's 30 inches long. And I'll just say $3 for that one. Beautiful. Okay, let's look at this one. Oh, those are beautiful little prong set rhinestones. This brush kind of has a coppery color. I don't know. I think you guys can see it. And then some of it's silver, like worn off. I don't see a mark. Here's the clasp here. It works. That is super cute. With the wear, I'm going to say $3 for this one. All the rhinestones are there. Very, very cute. Oh, what is this? Wow. So we have these kind of square cut rhinestones, very sparkly. Link bracelet. Here's a clasp. And is it marked? Oh, yeah. Oh, another one marked Blanca. Wow. Beautiful. This one is, I mean, in gorgeous condition. Wow. This Measures 7.5 inches long. And I'm also, well, I'm going to do $6 for this one. It's beautiful. Beautiful and great shape. Okay, this is really cute. This also looks vintage. We've got beautiful lime green, white, this aqua color. Super cute. I'm going to say $2 for this one. The stretch is good on that one as well. There's another earring. Set that there. Oh, that is gorgeous. This looks like an enamel, possibly cloisonne orchid flower. Yes, this is cloisonne. I've seen that symbol before. It's got a crown with a fish. I forget what company that is. I think I looked into it. So this measures 2 inches across. We're gonna say $4 for that one. Oh, let me make sure this works. Yeah. Yep. Beautiful, beautiful. And, ooh. Okay, this one's not vintage. This has some newer faceted glass beads. All of them are glass. Little rhinestone spacers. This one's in great condition. Wonderful. Beautiful, all different colors. And I'm going to say $3 on that one. Here's a memory wire bracelet. I believe these are all glass. There's one little dangle bead there. Oh, that one's nice. That one's beautiful. You could add another. Oh, wait, there it is. Okay. Yep. Wow, this one's beautiful. It's shiny, glossy, and I'll say $3 on this one. Here's a lightweight black beaded necklace. It's got some stuff stuck on it. We'll just say craft on that one. Ooh, this looks like rose quartz to me. They look real gemstone. Let's see. This, I think, is a toggle clasp. Yep. Now, this one's small. And, yep, it's 7 inches long. I'll just say $2 for this one because this one's pretty short. It might be hard to put on. Oh, wow. Okay. These are crystal, AB coated crystal. And I say that they're crystal because this has weight to it. And if you don't know, crystal glass has lead in it, which gives it more weight. It also makes it more resistant to chips, I believe. I think I got that right. Because I normally don't see chipped crystal beads. Let's see. I'm trying to get this to not... Let's see how this looks on. Wow, this one's pretty long. So this kind of hangs down there. Wow, that is so sparkly and beautiful. I wonder, you could probably bend it back into shape. I just don't want to bend it too much. And it has these little crystals hanging there. Now, it does look like there's... The wire is a little rusted because I kind of see some brown in there. Let's see if we can look. The Crystals are beautiful though. If you got some jewelry pliers, you could unhook that and use all these beads. So just for the beads, I think it would be worth $4 for this, or you can wear it. Very beautiful. All right, another brooch. This one's gorgeous. Very modernist. It has these little faux pearls strung on the wire. Very, very cool. Not marked. The clasp works. Let's see how long. Wow, 4 inches long. That is beautiful. I'm going to say $4 for that one. Gorgeous. And lots of pearls in this one. Oh, wow. Look at this. I love these connectors. They kind of remind me of an arched window. Beautiful faux pearls. Oh, here's the clasp. It's got a spring ring clasp. Beautiful. Let's see, it's twisted here. Wow, that is gorgeous. Let's see how long. 37 inches long. I'm going to say $6 for that one because it's in beautiful, beautiful condition. Okay, what is this? Okay, these feel like glass, maybe? Oh, okay, this one's Talbot's, so this one's modern. This is gorgeous, hand-knotted. They kind of feel like glass, but I think they're just a really nice quality plastic. Yeah. This one's super long, but in wonderful condition. So these beads are like a ivory color, cream colored. And then there's some gold plastic beads. Yeah, they're all plastic. They have really nice weight to them. And the beads graduate and then they decrease in size. That is really cool. See if you can see that there. Wow, that is gorgeous. Nice layering piece. This one's 46 inches long. I'm going to say $5 for this Talbot's necklace. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. These are quality glass pearls. They've got good weight to them and they're coated this beautiful champagne color. Oh, wow. Look at that clasp. That is a dogwood flower and it reminds me of Trifari. Trifari made lots of pieces with that flower. And you know what? I don't see a mark. Sadly, there's some verdigris right here. These are hand knotted. And there's some thread loose here. Like maybe someone repaired this. Wow, how beautiful is that? Wow. Yeah, on each side, there's some verdigris where those bead caps are. Let's see how long. Right, 16 inches long. Wow, gorgeous. Champagne color is just beautiful. Great shape, except for the verdigris. So I'm going to say $7 for this one. Oh, I'm seeing some fun earrings. Oh, these are so cute. What is this? This might be a handmade one. I'm not really sure, but I love these beads. There's a match to that. We'll look at the earrings at the very end. That's got a match there because I might lot some up. It's got a match. Oh, those are so cool. I'm curious. You know what? The orange rhinestones glow. Let me turn my light off. See that? That means they have cadmium in them. I do have some loose rhinestones that glow orange. Wow, that's cool. And like the other one, I'm pretty sure most of these are going to be paired up. Oh, here's a beautiful brooch. Let's see, that works. We've got a vintage Christmas tree brooch. I'd say mid-century. It is missing some stones, so I'm wondering if they're in there. So I'm going to wait on that one. See if maybe I can repair it. Oh, yep, match there. Oh, one like this was in my other lot. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Okay, here's a watch. This one is Premier Designs. Okay, beautiful gold, like a rope chain. It does have some wear on the inside. Of course, you wear it on this hand, your left hand. It is dead, but I'm sure with a battery replacement that it would work fine. So I'll put on the screen if I get this working. And if I do, I will just sell this one for $6 in working condition. Gorgeous. Oh, wow. Oh, that is so cool. See, it's got these cushions you can buy for your clip-on. I'm going to take that off. That is beautiful. Oh, it's missing some rhinestones there. It's got a match. That's beautiful. Okay, here's a brooch. Okay, here's a mime. She's kind of got some scratches to her face, a little red tear and a red star, kind of a matte gold finish, and no markings that I can see. So we'll say $3 for her. She's cute. Lightweight earring. And oh my goodness. Okay, we'll match to that one. Look at this charm bracelet. Wow. So this is a horse theme. This has really good weight to it. These crystals are set in so nicely. Got a horse, horseshoe, another one there. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's signed. What is that? What does that mean? So it's like, it looks like a 3-C, or it goes this way. Okay. I will figure this out off camera, and then I will definitely get back with you guys if it's not marked anywhere else. Oh, and this is the clasp. Oh, that is so cool. Wow. Okay, this one's quality. This one is gorgeous. Okay, look at this horse. Down near his feet has crystals set in. How cute. I mean, the attention to detail to this bracelet is amazing. Wow. really wish I knew what that meant. Okay, we'll take a measurement of this. This one is 7 3/4 inches long. I will have a price on the screen and let you know what I find out. Oh my gosh, I love it. I would keep this if I was like a huge horse fan. It's just super nice. Wow. Okay, let me zoom out. It's more earrings. Very beautiful. Oh, okay, we're gonna have 2 sets of those. Nice. Okay, here's another watch. Okay, this is a Chico's. Oh, it's got a lot of wear to it. Oh, stuff falling off. Oh man, yeah, it's got a lot of wear. Really cool though, but I will sell this as craft. Anybody interested? Let me know. Oh, that is so sweet. All right, we got a match there. I can't wait to go through these earrings. We'll do that last. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Okay. Wow, what is this? Okay, we've got several of these beaded, like lucite beaded necklaces. Let me get this out. Down here. Okay, so we've got this cute baby blue, kind of a marbled beaded necklace. It does have a little bit of like smuts there. And then we have one that looks very similar in this peachy coral color, very lightweight. They are both the same length and they are 36 inches long. I'm going to say $3 for both of these. They're really pretty. Then we've got this, which is also plastic, toggle clasp, kind of a marbled color. It's probably to imitate some kind of stone, maybe lapis or sodalite. And it's 26 inches long, and I'll do that one for $2. Let's see. Ooh. Look at this. Beautiful gold bracelet. It's kind of got some gold loss. Wow, look at those red rhinestones. They're all there. Fold over clasp. Let's see. Beautiful. It's like a snail chain. Now it does look silver in some places. Oh, that's beautiful. Gorgeous. Okay, it is 7 inches long. Just keep that in mind with the wear to it, and I will say $3 for this one. It is gorgeous. All right. Ooh. Okay, here's another mid-century, kind of a Maltese cross. It has a lion here. And this is like a pearlescent plastic piece underneath. That one's really cool. It's on a double link chain. It does have some wear to it, but it's really, really cool. The chain is 17 inches long. The pendant drops 2 inches long. I'm gonna say $4 for that one. Okay, looks like we're getting down to it. There's some brooches. Oh my gosh. Look at that beauty. This reminds me of some Limoges. And I've had a Limoges piece just like that with the courting couple. Sorry, I forgot to get a wipeout. I didn't think these pieces would be dirty, but that one was filthy. Wanted to make sure I can quickly wipe these pieces up. Okay, please work. Okay, it does. I just think this is bent a little, so it's not wanting to close. Okay, yep. All right, there's no marks. That is gorgeous. Some string there. Okay, I don't see any like scratches or anything. It was just a little dirty. Wow, that was beautiful. I'm gonna say $6 for that one. It is gorgeous. There's a match. Let's see. Got another bracelet. Ooh, this one's nice. This one is a multi-strand chain. Oh, that is nice. Let me see if I got it. Almost. I keep twisting it. Okay. I just have to twist these around. That's an easy fix, but it goes like this. This is kind of a panther link. It's got a fold over clasp. Wow, that is so cool. That one is 7.5 inches long. I will repair this. Really, really nice. I'm gonna say $4 for that one. Okay. Ooh, beautiful. Another nice tennis bracelet with clear rhinestones. This one's got a lobster clasp, so it might have been, this one's probably from like 90s era. That one's gorgeous. Beautiful. So that one is 7 inches long as well, and I'm gonna say $4 for this beauty. Wow, these have been in great shape. Okay, I think I see a few more things, and then we'll get to the earrings. Oh, what is this? Not marked. Oh, wow. Look at that fuchsia pink color, green rhinestones. Oh, this is so cool. This is a little loose. No problem. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh no, it is broken. No. Oh. Okay. I am going to sell this as craft, but I am going to say $2 just because I think it's just amazing. Wow. What a cool piece. Actually, no. Forget that. We'll say $1. It is broken. Yeah, $1 for that one, craft. Okay, here's a bracelet. Oh, beautiful. Please tell me the pearls are there. Oh, gorgeous. Also a lobster clasp. Let's see. I don't see any markings. It's in great shape. Kind of a pearl station bracelet. Let's see. It can go from a 7 to 7.5. I'm going to say $4 on that one. Really beautiful. And oh my gosh, I had earrings to go with it. Okay, well, these are in working condition. Well, they do have some slack. Okay, I will sell the set together for $2 now that it has earrings with it. That was a great buy, even though the brooch is broken. Okay, I think the rest is earrings. I see all the black rhinestones from those massive rhinestone earrings. That's a bummer. So I'm gonna get these all matched up and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I tried to look into some of these and make sure, you know, I'm giving you accurate information about these. Wow, everything was paired. So I'm just gonna start from the top. This was stuff that I'm just gonna sell as craft. These are like some kind of shrimp style puffy earrings. They do look vintage, maybe 70s, 80s. So I'll do $1 for both of those. And these are very lightweight, very modernist, and I'll do $1 for these. These are, I think they're incline. Like they're really good condition, or not good condition, but kind of good quality. And it's got the lion head there. But this doesn't want to sit right, and there's a lot of wear. So I'm going to do craft on that one. That one's got a lot of wear too. These screw back dangly hoops. These are really cute little hoops. I'll do $1 for those. And these, and I will add backs. This one's the thing's bent, so I'll do craft on that one as well. And this one I will do $2. I only found one red cabochon though, just to let you know. And these, I am going to try to repair. All the rhinestones were at the bottom, and I'm not sure what to price them at yet because I need to repair them. But if I sold these online, I could probably get between 30 and 40 with them repaired. So if you're interested, you can reach out to me and try and fix them yourself. Okay, now back to these earrings. This, upon closer look, these are marked Japan, and look at these beads here. I'm going to zoom in. I'm fascinated with glass beads. These have a bumpy texture there, and they have this gold, just really cool. You can see from the side here, it's kind of like a milky clear color, and then these are like plastic. Here's an AB bead there, and then some like painted beads. These are so cute. It's a little worn on the back, but these do work. And I'm going to say $3 for these. Perfect for spring. These are super cool. You can probably see me in the camera. They are super shiny metallic mirror finish, and they're really nice condition. Really large. Let's see. They're like 1.25 inches, and I'm going to say $2 for those. These are super cool. These are that, I don't know what material. It's like kind of a rubbery plastic material. These are so funky. They have these riveted flowers with pink rhinestones. How cute. They do work. Aren't those adorable? I'm going to say $4 for these. And then these, kind of the same peachy color. Oh, they're marked. Let's see. Oh, they're West Germany. Wow. Let me make sure they clip pretty well. Yep, they're strong. Look at the construction. So they have these prong set rhinestones. There's little pearls in there. It's kind of a peachy orange color. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. Yeah, these are some kind of sequin material. So I'm going to do $4 for those as well. Okay, these are super fun. Some people say they're celluloid, and I'm not sure if they are. They're screwbacks. Beautiful molded flower design. I love the details of these. I've seen these before, but I've never had some myself. They're gorgeous. Let's see. They're an inch wide. I'm going to say $4 for those. And then we have another set just like them. Also, all the rhinestones. Oh, wait. Yeah, they're all there. It's just, these look like you could put a stone in there if you wanted to. These are also, okay, these are marked Japan. That was a little bent, but they work. And trying to see, no, I thought that was broken. That was just the way it was formed when it was in the mold. Wow, these are cool. I'm going to say $4 for those as well. Very three-dimensional, beautiful, beautiful detail. Okay, these are super funky. Oh, I would say they almost look like buttons. I've had clothing that had buttons like this. And they're tied with like this satiny looking string. But how cool is that? Like a little grape cluster. So sitting on the ear like this, they would kind of swing out a little. Aren't those so funky? Oh, also these are different. They are pierced. And there's like this little ball in the back. Oh. Is that so you could wear it as a clip-on or pierced? I would feel like that would hurt. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, that one's missing the ball. Okay, we're going to say these are pierced for pierced ears, and I'm going to say $3 for those. Those are so cool. Oh, these are some pearl screwbacks. Very classic, and I'll say $1 for those. Okay, these are wild. You saw earlier that the orange ones glow under UV light. So these had cadmium in them, and whenever I advertise for that, stuff like this sells. Anything uranium, you know, anything that glows that's vintage sells very, very well. I'm going to say $6 for these. I think that's a great price. They're post backs. They're clean, great condition. And wow, these are funky. I'm not sure I've ever come across earrings like this. This plastic, I don't know, it looks like lucite because it is very, very clear. Clips are very strong. Beautiful rhinestones. And this is like the, it's a type of celluloid with like a mother of pearl finish to them. These are unique. I've not seen any like this, so I'm going to say $5 for these. They're beautiful. Okay. These are awesome. We've got these starfish gold tone dangle earrings. They were not marked, but really great quality. I'm going to say $5 for those. These are really sweet little teardrops with pink enamel, and they were not marked. I'm going to say $2 for those, and I'll put earring backs on. These right here. It's got some cream enamel. These are cool chain links, so they articulate. These were not marked either. I'm going to say $2 for these. Okay. Oop. Butterfingers today. These are really sweet. They do have some gold tone loss. They are marked. This one has an R. This one, I don't know, that does look like an L. So like left, right. I want to say these are some kind of designer, but I don't know, and they've got some wear to them. So I'll just say $1 for those. How beautiful are these? You can wear them like that or like that. They have beautiful tulip flower, faux pearl. See if that'll come off. There's a little bit of dry glue there. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. They are not marked. These are rather large, 1 1/4 inch across. I'm going to say $5 for those as well. They do got a little bit of weight. I'd say like medium weight to them. Okay, these are so cool. Man, I've just had the funkiest looking earrings in this lot, and I love it. These are older plastic glitter bobble dangly earrings, and they are West Germany. They clip on like this. Wow, these are so fun. Love that orange and yellow color. I'm gonna say $5 for those. I love these. Okay, and I'm gonna let you guys guess what the very last designer is for this piece. I would have never guessed. They have this crushed, probably faux turquoise stone inlay. You see that in a lot of alpaca, Mexico type jewelry. I was so surprised, guys. It is marked Trifari. And that, the font tells me that this is a more modern piece, so maybe late 90s or 2000s. Aren't those so different? So different than Trifari. These hang about 1.5 inches. Wait, was that 1.5 inches? Yes, 1.5 inches. And these are wonderful, wonderful condition, and I'm going to say $4 for those. Super cute. All right, that was everything. Everything in that lot. Here's how to buy. Just a little reminder. My email's in the description below. Let me know if you're interested in anything. If not, that's completely fine, and I appreciate you hanging out with me and sorting through this jewelry. I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below. Maybe what your favorite piece was, or, you know, even just an emoji. Comments and likes really help out with my videos. And I so appreciate you all for watching. You guys must really like my unboxings, and it means the world to me that you want to help support my channel just by watching, and it means the world to me. So thank you all so much for your support any way that you show it, and I will see you guys in the next one.